All right, my parts came in. There's the outer wheelhouse. Right, here's the trunk drop down underneath here, and I got the quarter panel in today. Right, and I think I got everything trimmed out of the way in here, back in here, all the way down through. I fixed one of my mistakes there, another one over there. But what I'm working on now is I made myself a little panel here for here. Right, this was pretty rusty, so I fixed this hole here, and then I can put the wheelhouse in here, and get the quarter panel in there. I still have to drill out the spot welds in here, and I want to put my steel door on before I put that quarter panel final mount. I can get it up in here with screws on it for now. That's where we're at. All right, this hole pretty much straightened out here. All right, next up I got to put a bracket back in there yet, and then test fit everything, and then cut the quarter panel. Well, I believe this side quarter panel is in its final resting spot. I still have some work to do down in here. You can't see that. I still got some work to do down here, as you see, I had to trim that piece out because it's stuck way over here. So when this piece was made, I've been finding out a lot with this piece, having trouble with it as far as fitment. So I have work to do there, and I got all this patched up down here. Let me see if I can I got all this patched in here. I got this curve made and patch in there, and got the inner fender well where I need it, and trunk drop down. So I'm gonna tack this in next, and tack this in, and then work on the quarter panel. Well, actually, before I do the quarter panel, I gotta have all this welded in where it needs to be. Except for back here, I can get that through the trunk. That ain't no big deal. But this one's been a tougher one because of the fitment of the panel. So there we are. All right, I got the panel trimmed and gapped. All right, I'm screwed in here. I got to clean up the holes yet, and just start tacking it in. And I'm glad I bought these things. They work pretty good. But this panel has not been good to me. I had to cut this off down here. Mainly because it was an inch wider up in here than what needed to be. That other side, the other side went right together. This panel has not been good. I've been running into all kinds of troubles, but I got it to where I'm happy. There we go. I'm getting ready to tack it in there. Then we'll finish welding her, and then I gotta mess with that back there. We'll get it though. We'll get it. Well, I never used these doohickeys before, but so far I'm digging them, man. They keep the panel right where it belongs. I can't get up inside there, but just deal with that like I always do. And looks like a porcupine, but here we go. We're ready to tack it in there. Got the quarter panel all done and ground down and bondoed, and Got this all straightened out down in here too. That come out pretty good. Yeah, we're getting there. I'm gonna paint this all white all the way up to the front of the door here. Getting ready to tape it off now and paint it. I got the heater going. Paint near the heater. Try to heat it up a little bit. About 35 degrees outside. I'm right around 60 in here, so should be okay. It's the Cuda. It'll be fine. Here we go. Well, I started to paint this side, but I had some trouble back here with some paint peeling up on me. I don't know what went wrong, but I got that all straightened out, sanded and all. And so that's what we're going to do with both sides. Just paint it white up to the door. And then next winter I'll figure out what I want to do with the front end. And then who knows what kind of stripe I might put on or do something. You know, I don't know, but I'm starting to dig the white. So anyway, with that I'm going to end the video here. I want you all to remember to be good. If you can't be good, be kind. And I want to thank you all for watching. So stay tuned, because I'm going to have another update, because I did some other stuff in between waiting for parts and stuff. So I'll do another update on some of the other things I did. And so with that, see ya. Oh, and before I go, I'll make sure I give you an update on the finished paint on this side. Anyway, I'll get it out. I'll get it outside. Hopefully next week sometime when it warms up again, because we're supposed to get another snowstorm. We had some nasty weather here. I was down into single digits and 10 inches of snow, and it was crazy around here, but we got it.